How you can get burned logs in Hytale. So you can get it in multiple ways. The first way is to burn a tree. In this phase of game you cannot burn a tree until you are in creative mode. So if you are in creative mode you can get the flamethrower or just put fire into your inventory and you can simply burn any tree. I believe in future we will be able to burn a tree with some other method. And when the tree is down, you can cut it down and you will get burned logs. Burnt tree can be also be cut down with this super fast cutting system. You will get all logs at once. So this is the first method, and the second method in survival mode, we want to find this location where are fire logs. And basically in this area there are these structures and you can get as much burnt logs as you want. Burnt logs can be used in furnace also as a fuel like other logs, and from burnt logs you can actually create some blackwood planks if you want to, and some other decorative doors and trapdoors and ladders, fence, etc. So that's how you can get burned logs in Hytale. If you have any questions, leave a comment and see you next time.